You gotta do, if you're not cheating, you're not trying.
It's just a basic stock SXR setup.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die.
Welcome.
This is just a stock 650 hull with an 800 in it. You know, I think I can do a better lap on this thing than the 1100 swap Jetski. This is actually the first 650 with a big fast motor in it that I've ridden that's ran 100% totally correct. But we're out here today at the test track.
This is like a weird ski day. 650-800.
It's not really a weird ski.
The waveraider that's like, I don't know, weird things on it. Yours is the least weird.
But so we got a couple of things out here today, and so today's the first time I've ever ridden this ski with an intake grade on it. It didn't come with an intake grade on it, so I've been testing it out and riding it without one. I don't know if I noticed that big of a difference, but it's kind of funny. It doesn't even have grips on it right now. I don't have any so my GoPro randomly decided to shut off. That's really frustrating. The software is not really that great for GoPro, but I'm gonna show you what we got under the hood in case you never saw it. As we have waves just dashing me. Jason, can you hold the camera? As we have it in the weeds, so it's just a basic stock SXR setup with a West Coast pipe. You know, real simple. It's pretty darn good. I mean, when I was riding it, I was thinking, man, if I would have gotten a big engine in my first 650 that I ever had, I probably wouldn't have ever bought a superjet. It's pretty good. I've had it out back to back with my 800, and you know, it's not like I can't ride this after coming off the SXR. So it's a decent handling ski. It's not the greatest, but it has a really nice lightweight feeling to it. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out today, and the goal is gonna be to beat the 1100 CRAT lap time. So we'll see if I can do it. For the drive shaft or the impeller and pump setup in this thing, it has a scat track. I think it says 5.5 stamped on the side of the prop, and so I think that means 15.5. It's got a non-finned Ocean Pro ride plate and a West Coast intake grade on it. So it's all old school stuff. There's nothing cutting edge on here except for it's got a big power motor in it. So we got all the good stuff going on today. I'm about to do the lap. I gotta say, I do think that this ski does sound pretty cool. It's just a stock 650 water box and front exhaust, but I like it. Oh, baby. Yeah, I'm having trouble, I guess. I like lost my balance there, and gosh, I feel like an idiot. I've been spending all my time on my SXR, so I just haven't been really riding this thing, so I'm not really used to it like I probably should be to do a lap time, but whatever. Well, I can't seem to get a clean lap, but I'll hand the camera off. Oh, 85 horsepower.
That was a pretty legit start. Like, Jacob usually kind of jumps the start, or not jumps it, but he comes into it a little bit quick. Or he has been a little bit today, but that one was pretty legit. And also his last head cam one was pretty legit, so. I can't remember who was the worst about doing that last season. Was that you or him?
Yeah, I never do that.
Alright, well, we'll have a chat with him about it. And if you or I beat his lap time on this thing today, it'll be hilarious. Wow, that thing is quick. It's just like hitting that stump. That's like right on the stump.
It's got a mind of its own. It's getting away.
All right.
I did it.
All right, we have something to talk to you about.
Yeah.
Your starts are a little bit questionable. The last one was pretty good, but we've seen you come flying across the line, you know, a little bit cheaty.
Hey, you know, you gotta do, if you're not cheating, you're not trying.
Okay, well, Jacob likes to cheat on the starts and Jason likes to cut the course. Oh my gosh. And I'm like, we have to be respectful of the rules so we can see which skis are truly faster.
Let me break something down for the viewers.
Well,
so,
we want to know
if you're starting on like a brand new superjet, you can get a good drive from like a standstill, you know, pull out of the whole shop, no problem. But on any old school boat, you're gonna be porpoising for like 6 hours before you can get going.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
that's supposed to be part of the test.
You can't really.
That's like supposed to be part of it.
You can't really even do it.
I mean, that's why we have all the parts in it. You accelerate, you do some S-turns, you go around the pole, it's got a long straight stretch. So it's like...
We're testing everything, the handling, the power, the acceleration.
Well, there you go.
So that's
now
why...
Now you heard it.
So Jacob's been exposed.
Yep.
Jacob's exposed. You better censor this section. Exposed.
Okay.
Gonna get a lap time on this thing. This thing is nice and slidey, just like a waveraider.
Yeah, I'm ready to run my lap time on it.
All right. You want helmet cam?
No, I'm kind of sick of helmet cams.
Oh, great.
I don't really enjoy
I
watching.
just love wearing the helmet cam. It's so comfortable.
Well, if anybody's wondering, that 800 is way faster than a 650.
Oh, that is exactly how I feel riding that ski. He's gonna have a better corner than either of us because he slowed down enough.
Yeah.
I don't know, I guess if
Some
you
other
stood
person
on
out
it, it was
on a jet
okay.
ski, it looks like.
Yeah.
Either it's a boat. We're not really paying attention to Josh.
Yeah.
Is that one of our neighbors?
That looks like a fast boat if that's a boat.
It's gotta be a jet ski.
Seems like it's gotta be a jet ski. Oh, the home stretch. It's always comfortable going in here. Yeah. See how he turns around. No power slide. Yeah. Instead he does a grasshopper.
Yeah.
Where you hop in the grass.
For anybody who's watching this that hasn't gotten to try a 750 or an 800 and has only ridden like a 650, 550, let me tell you, the power difference between like 650 to 750 or 800 is just enormous.
Yeah. Oh yeah. He's right. The power difference on any 650 going up to anything that's 701, 750, anything more, it's incredible.
Yep.
Oh, it was good fun.
That's the most important 50 cc's that you can
I feel
have.
like that might be my best stand-up lap.
It was really nice.
I was like, wow, I can ride this thing.
Yeah.
I like it.
Good one.
Good little ski for you.
Yeah.